Hi friends, today I am going to show you how to make 8D audio in Wondershare Filmora, and let's start our video. First, pick an audio that you want to make 8D. After that, drag the video to the track. Copy the audio and paste it in another track.
Nothing ever stays the same. Once you let it change. It's like a family tree. Part of you and part of me.
Now split the audio to 5 to 5 seconds.
And if we should separate, go your own way, I won't wait.
Now adjust the audio like this.
You'll see the difference now. If we change it, you'll know how. Nothing ever stays the same. Once you let it change. It's like a family tree. Part of you and part of me. And if we should separate, go your own way, I won't wait.
Now click Audio Mixer. Now change the audio 1 to right and audio 2 to left. Now you know how to make 8D audio with Wondershare Filmora. And like, share, comment for my video, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and click the bell button.